Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would do another unboxing. Now I don't normally do unboxing videos, but for some reason I feel like doing one today. And we've got the Virtuoso RGB Wireless SE. This is from Corsair. Now I've picked this up because I've had enough of my Razer Nari Ultimate, which is this one here. In fact, we can use this for comparison for build quality. I've had enough of this headset, of the size of it. That might sound a bit weird, but the haptic feedbacks that this headset is all about, I kind of never really used it. I've only used it once or twice, so because it's got these haptic feedback drivers in them, it makes the headset at least 25% bigger than it really needs to be without them. The build quality on them, however, is really nice, so they do look really cool, but when I'm recording a video and I put these on, I kind of already feel embarrassed enough as it is. So having these headphones on kind of makes me look like an alien or some sort of fighter pilot. But I might pull them back out in a minute. So here it is. We got the Virtuoso. This is from Corsair. Here's the box. Just flip it around each side for you. There's the back. There's the front. So this is the SE version, which is a little bit more expensive than their regular version, and all that really means is I think you get a slightly better microphone, which is detachable, and it's also detachable on the standard version, and you get this aluminium construction on the headset. So it's a metal construction, which is supposed to be a more premium build. On the original, there is a gloss plastic on the side here. Now, one thing that I do chuckle over, and this is the same on pretty much all headsets, my RGB Razer one had the same thing, is this RGB. What is the point? That's on the side of your head. You can't even see it. I got RGB stuff here in my case, some bits on my headset stand, etc. But that's stuff I see on the desk. You know, the only person who's going to see this is someone else in the room. Unless you've got someone sat there looking at the side of your head, what is the point? Now, I've never understood RGB on headsets. I know why they put it on there, because statistically, things that have RGB on them sell more than those that don't. And that is the only reason they've added RGB onto this headset. I've got a pair of Corsair HS 70s over here that I bought for my VR headset because they're lightweight. I'll just show you them a second. Here they are here. So these are a pair that I may use for my VR, but I'll get to that in another video or later on. But these have no RGB on, and they look absolutely fantastic. Who cares if this doesn't light up? Anyway, that's a rant for another video. Let's open this up. So the box just slides off. So I got this brand new from a company in the UK called Scan Computers. You know, a box to me is just a box. I don't really care too much, but there we go. We got the cardboard box. Inside we have our headset. I'll give you a size comparison in a moment between this one and my Razer Nari Ultimate, and it's you'll see how big the actual Razer one is. So we just get some little protective pieces of plastic over these cups. Let's go ahead and pull that off. Pull that off. And we got a carrying case in here, a nice sort of quilted carrying case with a magnetic flap. That's quite nice actually, I quite like that. Yeah, that's quite nice. Not that I'm going to carry these anywhere, they are never leaving my room, so I will never use this. I might use it on something else, who knows. So what else we got in the box? We have, looks like some documentation. Yes, documentation, don't really need that. Then we got our USB receiver there, so that's the wireless receiver for the PC. Then we've got a nice braided cable here. So this is actually a USB Type-C connector, which is nice to see. All my other headsets, every single one of them is the old micro USB, so that's nice to see. Then we got an aux cable. So a moment ago I was talking about the fact that I bought these headphones for VR. Now I only play Steam VR on my Quest 2. I only play it with a link cable or on the wireless virtual desktop. So if you plan on using your Quest 2 as a standalone headset, it might be worth using something like this that has a headphone jack. So if you wanted to, you could jack your headphones into your Quest. Just a thought. Anyway, so it comes with a nice braided cable for a headphone jack. Again, I won't be using these on my phone or tablet or any other device other than my PC. So again, I won't really need that. Then we got the microphone. And also in here somewhere, there should be... Have I lost it? Maybe I haven't. I don't see it. Now, I'm pretty certain, unless I'm being stupid, there should be, I'm going to have to search through the box now, there should be a pop filter for this microphone. It is a big microphone. So that just attaches into there. That attaches into there somewhere. Into there. There we are, so that just attaches into there. The microphone itself is massive. There should be a little pop filter for the end of this microphone here. Now I have read online through some reviews that this microphone is actually not as good as the non-SE version, but I haven't tested that yet. That could be false, but I have heard claims that the regular microphone is actually better than the SE. It does look nice. There's a mute button on the bottom here, on the bottom of the microphone. Really nice sort of aluminium design. Like the build quality of the headset is absolutely probably one of the best I've ever seen. You know, everything's made of metal. The headset itself is a little bit heavy. So for example, these are the HS70. They're much lighter than this. But the good thing about this headset is obviously we have the 3.5mm headphone jack. Again, if we want to plug that into our VR headset, if we're playing the headset in standalone mode, which is quite good. We got a volume wheel at the bottom here that will just infinitely scroll through. So that actually feels really nice and solid. Then we got a button on here. What's this? This is wired or wireless mode, so you can change it, change the headset between wired or wireless. Then we got our USB Type-C connector just there, which is easy accessible. One thing I have noticed is there's no blank plug for this, so I don't plan on using this microphone because I have a standalone microphone. But notice on these headphones, from Corsair, again, there's a little rubber bung to go over the hole. So I would like to see that also on this headset. So that is basically it. That is the unboxing of the Virtuoso. Now the stiffness of the cups, look, they ain't kind of rotating anywhere, so they are quite stiff to move. I don't know if that is a good thing or a bad thing. And then we can adjust the headset, obviously adjust the headband like so. Don't really need to see that. Let's move this box out of the way. Let's compare the size of the Razer Nari. So there's the Razer Nari Ultimate. Again, they just fling around, they're loose. And then we got the Corsair. Let's see if you can see the difference in size. Absolutely. That's what 25% bigger, probably. The construction, the actual build quality is about the same. So they're both made of sort of premium products. But again, this Razer one looks ridiculous on my head. And although I already feel silly making videos as it is, when I got this thing on, I feel like an alien or something. But really impressed with the build quality of these. I'm going to go ahead and plug them in now. I'm going to test them out for a few hours. Make sure they are actually, this is the headset I want to use. One thing to notice, the ear cups are actually a little bit small. You notice there's not much gap between the cushion and the driver wall. So if you've got massive ears, you might find that your ears may be on the top part of the cushion or actually against the driver wall itself. For me, it doesn't matter because I have little tiny tiny little ears, little baby ears. So for me, they'll fit in there really, really nicely. For example, these, look at the difference in size. Look, don't know if you can see that. That's the Razor one on the right, and then we got the Corsair one on the left. Absolutely massive ear cup on that one, tiny little one on that one. So thanks for watching my unboxing video. I am going to try hunt out that pop filter for the microphone. But that is it. That is the unboxing of the Corsair SE Virtuoso headset. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in some of my other videos, please obviously check out my channel. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.